Does your mind race when you are trying to go to sleep? Well, I'm going to tell you how you can effectively eliminate the mind racing thoughts before bed. So, that's the question. Can you turn off your racing mind? I'm going to assume 99% of you probably said you suffer with this. A lot of people do, high performers especially. It's very, very common. Racing thoughts are a direct symptom of anxiety. Whether it's a massive stressor from the current day or an upcoming potential stressor that we feel uncertain about, our brain will continue to race without an off switch. Anxiety never leads to confidence. Does- Doesn't happen. When was the last time you felt confident when your mind was just hurry, 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 hurry? However, there is a way to gain confidence through your racing mind. A race is technically run to be won. So if your mind is racing, you can absolutely shift the direction it is racing in your favor. How do you do this? Before you go to bed, write out on a piece of paper or in your journal every thought on your mind. Don't leave any out. The act of writing out your racing mind is giving your mind permission to unload the thoughts that are causing you anxiety in a different place than your brain. Think of it like a storage locker. You can access it anytime you want, but the things in your storage locker aren't cluttering up your home. Just like the anxious thoughts don't need to clutter up your mind when you lay your head on the pillow at night. Here is the key that psychiatrists and doctors won't tell you. It's okay if these racing mind thoughts win the nightly battle every once in a while. A race has competitors, and not every race you run, you will win. And that's okay. The pressure is alleviated. You don't have to chant mantras or ceremoniously light candles and lavender diffusers. No. All you need to do is give your mind permission that it doesn't have to take the worry, anxious thoughts into dreamland. So gain confidence today by writing down the thoughts that you have on your brain before you go to bed. Actively write them out on a piece of paper. Put that piece of paper at your nightstand or up on your desk somewhere that it's not going to bed with you. You are giving yourself permission to basically have a mind dump. So by eliminating these negative thoughts from going into your dreams with you, you can essentially have a much better night's sleep and gain a lot of confidence in this tool. Now, I'm really into optimization and how to stay the healthiest, the mind, the sharpest, longevity, everything. I'm a nut for that. And I haven't found anything, literally anything, that has more positive benefits and improvement effects on the mind and the body than the hyperbaric chamber. Elevate Health hyperbaric chambers. Well, what it does, it can speed up your recovery from an injury. There are so many documented cases with athletes and they're injured and it heals the tissue dramatically faster. Also for concussions and brain damage, it's the number one thing that I have heard and I have seen heal concussions, improves blood flow, reduces inflammation. That's just in the hyperbaric chambers, but Elevate Health is doing something different. They are the top recovery modality company. They have cryotherapy, they have saunas, light therapy, vibroacoustics, PEMF, compression therapy, polar recovery, and so much more. It is worth checking them out. Trust me, Elevate Health, ELEVE health.com. Let them know David Nurse sent you. They'll hook you up or contact me and let me know what you're interested in and I can direct you in the right way there. ElevateHealth.com. Do not wait. This is proactive and not reactive. Get after it.